I said, let's learn how to download a Facebook video. So first of all, you do need a Facebook account and a website called Save From That. So search for Saved From Net. And basically this website should show up over here, savefrom.net. I want you guys to click on that website first. Okay, so basically now once you have, or are there once you are done logging in, or rather accessing the website called savedfrom.net, all you need to do is to head on over onto Facebook now and then click over here and basically choose any video from your feed. Okay, guys, so basically once you have copied the link from Facebook, and then all you need to do next is to paste the link over here onto the field where you should enter the URL. Click on the next icon over here on the arrow, and basically it's going to automatically download the video for you guys onto your devices, whether that may be a video from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even Twitter. A lot of different platforms over here, and basically this is a very reliable application that many people use. As you can see on the reviews, we have 50,000 reviews, and those reviews accumulated to being 4.8 stars on the internet. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.